Are we live and shit? What's up? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's up? Okay. Are we live? I can't tell if we're live. Let's see some tree emojis in the chat if we're live. Let's get them trees going on. I am live. Okay, cool. Cool. Coolio, man. What's up, bruv? Duder, you know. All right, enough of the countdown. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Top of the morning to you all. Hope we are all happy, healthy, wealthy. Today is July the 9th, 2027. Just kidding. 9:19 a.m. New York opens in 11 minutes. We are trading futures today. We're trading ES. We're trading NQ. So grab a coffee, grab a friend, say hello, and let's make some bread. That rhymed. Call me Dr. Seuss out here. What's up to everybody in the chat? Hope you guys are all doing well. AG Trading says hi from Argentina. Well, AG Trading, hi from Toronto, Canada. I will tell you this. I'm glad that Argentina beat Egypt. That got a little shaky there, bro. But you guys pulled through, man. I love Argentinians. So shouts out to you, my friend. When is your next game? Versus who? Switzerland. When is that? Saturday, 9 p.m. Okay. Go Argentina. Go Messi. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, the match was crazy, bro. The match was pretty crazy. Can't lie. It was a good one. It was good, though. I was at the gym and I was watching it, and they came back and they scored like whatever. What was it? 3 goals in like 11 minutes or 12 minutes or whatever it was. That shit's crazy, bro. That shit was insane. That shit was insane. It's been a good World Cup, to be honest with you guys. To be honest, it's been a pretty good World Cup so far. It's been a pretty good World Cup. Okay, let's talk about who do I think will win the World Cup? I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't really know. Like, I'm not really into football or soccer, you know, the way that you know, most are. So I don't know like the teams and whatever. Let me see who's in it still. Who do you guys think is gonna win the World Cup? Let me know. I don't think England will win. I don't think Switzerland will win. I'm kind of leaning Spain. Sorry, bro. I'm kind of leaning Spain. I think whoever's gonna win on, like, okay, while we're waiting for the market to open, I have my plan already, so we'll talk about that in a second. I think that whoever wins between these 4, like whoever makes it here, is gonna be the winner. I don't think anyone on this side is gonna win. Sorry. I know. I'm sorry. I would be cool with Norway winning. You know what? Listen, so I kind of think it's going to be Spain. But I want a team that doesn't win to win. So Like, I don't really want Argentina to win. I don't really want Spain to win. I don't want France to win. I also don't really want England to win because they never win. So it would be like funny to keep that. It would suck for them, but it would be funny to like keep that alive. But yeah, I'm down for Norway to win. I don't really want Switzerland to win either, and I'm down for Morocco to win too. I'm down for Norway, Belgium, or Morocco. That's who I want. One of those three. But I think Spain is gonna win. I think Spain is gonna win. We'll see. We shall see, man. We shall see. We'll see what happens here. See what happens here. Spain has no chance. I know France is doing very well. You were gonna lose your mind in that match? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we see here. We will see what we see here. So I have a plan here on NQ. I have a plan here on ES as well. Okay, we currently have a bearish SMT right now between the two. I am looking for shorts. Okay, we got a little SMT going on right now. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. I am I would like a little bit higher first. I'm hoping. So right now we're 9:24. New York opens in 6 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm hoping that we can push up to my zone here on ES. I don't think that we will. I'm not confident that we will. So if we don't push up, I want NQ and ES to push up a little bit more. I want New York to open and us to pump. I'm going to have like a 9:30 manipulation pump up towards my box here, and then I will look for shorts. That's my preferred scenario right now. Is this one. So I have two ideas. I'm not longing anything right now currently, but I have this guy and I have this guy, but this one is way better. Hopefully we can get the trade up here and call it a day right away. That's what I'm hopeful for. Obviously we'll have to react to whatever we get. So let's hang out. Hopefully we can hit our trade within like an hour. And then go to the gym, baby. Go to the gym. How y'all doing? How's your trading been? If it's gonna be anyone, it's likely gonna be France. Yeah. I don't know. I just feel like, you know what too? I feel like, tell me if I'm wrong. You guys then probably know more than me. I think like this cycle, geez. This World Cup, tell me like that this World Cup isn't, you know, so many upsets. Like I feel like so many teams that shouldn't be winning are winning or have been winning, obviously. Is that true like in FIFA world? I feel like that's how it's been, you know? Maybe I'm wrong, but at least from my interpretation, I'm like, damn, like how are these teams? Like, let's see who got knocked out where I was like, whoa. I think Norway beating Brazil was like, whoa. I don't know. What do I know, man? What do I know? What do I know? Okay. All right. You're now short on NQ. Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to wait for the open. I'm going to wait for the open. We'll see what's good here. What time is it right now? 9. Okay, so New York opens in 3 minutes. I'm going to see what they do. I'm hoping, and not that I want you to get stopped out, bro, but I'm hoping for me, hoping that we do push up one more time. We'll see how it goes. We got a little accumulation here on Stella going on right here. I'm not convinced. I'm not longing anything here by any means. If we start to lose this low, I will consider backtest shorts. I am looking for shorts right now, though. I'm not looking along right now. That doesn't mean that it can't go higher. I want to short from up here, so I hope it pumps. Hope it pumps. Hope it does. Still using Market Cypher B for my analysis and trading. I'm using MCB for entries only. So I don't really use it for analysis. I don't need it for analysis. I don't care for it for analysis. And it's, in my opinion, kind of unreliable in terms of analysis. Like for me, anyway, with the way that I trade. So for example, like I'll use it for entries. I know that I'm looking to I want to short from here. Okay, I already know that. So now I'll be like, okay, well, if we get this and then Market Cypher looks like this, then I'll look to enter. You know, I use it for entries. As opposed to like, I don't use high time frame shit. I just, yeah. Like for the most part, you know, you already know, at least me, I already know what I'm looking to trade, right? So it doesn't really matter what the high time frame looks like on Market Cypher for me, because I already know what I want, right? But yeah, I still do use it for help with my entries though. Not anything else. What about BTC? BTC, guys, right now is kind of complicated. BTC is kind of complicated right now, in my opinion. Okay, what time is it right now? All right, let's just make sure our alerts are on because we're not trading BTC today. So let's set some alerts here. I don't care which one I take, Stella or NQ. It doesn't really matter to me. But I don't want to miss something, so. All right, BTC is a little bit complicated right now, okay? Here's the long story short about BTC, in my opinion, okay? Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Yesterday, we put in a nice low, okay? The thing with this low is that you have an accumulation. You have a model 2 accumulation right now. And although this previous low wasn't taken, you have an SMT between BTC and ETH, okay? So ETH took the low, right? ETH took its low and accumulated, while Bitcoin did not take its low and accumulated, effectively giving us an SMT. The problem is I don't like this bounce zone, and we are in the exact dead center of the range. We're at the EQ, right? We're at the range EQ and the point of control of the range. So the higher time frame, I still think we're going to 67K. For the record, I absolutely still believe we're going to 67K. But the question that I don't know the answer to is, did we see enough of a pullback now on this move? And I'm not convinced that we did. I'm not convinced that this is the low, but I'm fairly certain that this is the low for now. I think that 67 will get hit before 57. Right? So this is where things get a little bit complicated, and price has been like, structure has been flip-flopping and giving false breaks and, you know, this, that, and the other. And as a result, you know, this is what happens when you are at the exact center of the range. Like, there's no edge here, right? It's the worst. Objectively, it is the worst part of the range to be trading. POC and the dead center of the range. Like, it's 50-50, right? This is where you get all these false breaks and whatever else. So yeah, you know, I like, see, here's the thing. If this price action exactly, like if this exact picture happened down here, like at 60K, not 61.6, like if it came down to 60.5, then I would say that's probably a low. But because that didn't happen, I'm going to say that's probably not a low. Oh my gosh, man. Okay, well, I guess we were right for shorts. Damn, I really wanted that to push up one more time. Okay, we're going to see if we can enter here. So you see what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to get too into it because it gets complicated, and it's like you know, it took me a while to come up. It's not as simple as it looks. You know, I do think that we can still roll over, even though there's an accumulation here, even though there's an SMT. Okay, so this just died. ES just died. We didn't get in. That sucks. ES is far weaker than NQ right now, clearly. Let's see if we can get in, though. The market literally just opened, though, so I'm going to wait. I'm not going to chase anything. This can easily reverse here. Because remember, we didn't hit my zone, right? We didn't hit my zone. I would much prefer we hit my zone. I'm not longing it, but I would much prefer we hit my zone. And we need an alert on down here. So let's see what we see here. We have the SMT. If I see some kind of reconfirmation on Stella, I might take a bite. But the fact that the market literally just opened, and that's a big wick on the 5-minute, has me believe, yeah, you see why we don't rush? See why we don't rush? It's exactly why we don't rush. So we'll see. My initial idea was to either come up to here, which we're pumping now. So either we pump up to my level or we break the low. That was my initial idea on NQ. None of this is really what I want to look at, but we'll see what happens. We have another SMT here. Like, this is, for me, the way I trade, not shortable now. That's not shortable for me now. What do I think about low 58K? In general, like the overall low, it could be the low, like the low, but I think it's too soon to be thinking about like the low, in my opinion. Could be, but it's too soon. It's too soon. All right, so NQ's coming up to my zone now. That's good. That's what we wanted. We wanted this. I would have much preferred us not get the sell-off first. That makes me a little bit more reluctant to long or to short. But I'll still take it if we see it. As long as we hit my zone, I'm good. Now that we pumped like this, now that we trapped these traders below this low. So here's what I'll tell you. Now that we trap the traders below this low, if we come back to that, it is 100% a short for me. And I want to see if this zone get hit. So best case scenario now is we like hang around here for a little bit. We pop in, we break structure down, and then we can follow it down like that. That's the best case scenario for me at the moment. On NQ, we have another SMT. Not too concerned with it though. Doesn't really matter. Like, this doesn't really matter to me. But I want to see my NQ level get hit. So I'm more interested in NQ than I am on Stella right now. Far more interested in NQ. And we need to really be careful here with that. Because I'm sure there are shorts that are trapped there. See what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is kind of coming close to my level also. Let's see what we see here. It's just choppy. Just choppy. Let's see what we get. All right. Bro, I think I hope whoever was short, I hope you had your stop loss, broski. Hopefully that didn't take you out or you took profit. Hope you're good. Okay, we're coming into my zone. Coming into my zone. Coming into my zone. Biddy's doing absolutely nothing. You don't trade with a stop loss. This is like some nice groove we got going on right now. I kind of like this vibe going on, this music. All right, let's get ready. So I'm getting ready, okay? I'm not taking anything. You'll see when I take it on screen if I take it. For now, we're going to get ready. Let me see where I'm positioned here. So from there, I think I will TP one. See, this wick is a big problem. This wick is a big issue now. For my short idea. I still will take my short idea, but it is a big issue now. It is a big issue now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. We will see. I want to see my level get hit. I need this line to get hit. Actually, I don't need the line to get hit. We're pretty much close enough. Biddy's doing nothing. I would feel way better if my line gets hit. It doesn't need to, but I would feel way better if it does. We still have an SMT here too. I would feel much better if my line gets hit. You flipped 10K to 70K in 3 months. That's amazing, bro. Nice. That's great. Consistency beats everything. Congrats. That's good to hear. Awesome. Yo, what is the minimum capital to live off of trading for me? I don't just live off of trading, bro. I do not just live off of trading. All right, we're coming in. We're starting to reject. Again, I don't need this to get hit. I want it to get hit. Now, I'm kind of okay. The idea behind it is this was your range-based supply, and we tagged it here, so this is technically mitigated. Although I would like one more push-up higher, we don't need it. It is not necessary. However, currently at the moment, because of this, right, this trap of shorts here, that manipulation, due to that, I'm a little bit cautious to just like aggressively short here now. If we remember what I said, when we open, I hope we pop up and then we can come down. If this move happened prior to getting this, then I would be much more open to the idea of shorting aggressively. Though this could be the high, I would be much more open to it. But because it did this, I need to be careful now. I have to be much more cautious. So we're going to wait. I'm going to wait and see what I like until I see what I like. What's up, Brad? B Rad. Hope you're well, bro. We haven't talked in a hot minute. How you doing? Negative gamma environment. Prices are explosive. Yeah, somebody mentioned that to me the other day. I don't know if was you. Were you the one that was talking about gamma in the Discord the other day? I don't know what that means, but yeah, I mean, it very clearly looks explosive to me. See what happens. All right. No, it wasn't you. Well, somebody was talking about gamma, whatever. And I don't know anything about that. So if you care to share, I'm all ears. It's weird because the first time I ever even heard that was like 3 days ago, 2 days ago. So interesting. So, dude, what's up, bruv? How you doing? You good? All right. So we just took the high here. Now I will entertain shorts if we break this low. But again, I need to be careful because of that. Right? This is a big deal. This is a problem. Okay? This line is a problem for the idea of shorting here. We're in my zone. We're coming to my zone, which we said we wanted my zone. Right? We just invalidated the SMT. So we have to keep that in mind. Right? We got to keep that in mind. But this line is an issue. That line's a problem. So let's see. I will entertain. I'm not going to take it. I will entertain if we break that low. I will entertain it. Come to the Nazi, bro. We're bouncing off of a 1 hour fair value gap. Come back to the Nazi, bro. I got to start trading. That's why I'm doing this AM stream, this AM session on futures. Because I got to start trading futures too. Properly, you know? Because lately, man, crypto's so boring, bro. Crypto's so fucking boring. Crypto's super boring. All right, let's see what we get here, though. Let's put an alert on this low. I still prefer we come up. I still hope we get one more high. I still prefer we get another high here. Put an alert there too. Okay, so we're watching, we're waiting, and we'll see. I don't know which one I'm gonna take yet. We'll see. But what are those? What is the indicator? This is my indicator. It's public though, so I don't know how do I give this to you? How do I give this to you? If you can guide me on how to give this to you. Okay, let me try off screen. I don't want to like accidentally leak info. Let me see if I can get you the link for it. It's public. If you go to my thing, which is trader_geo, I think it was. If you go there, it's public, so you can definitely get it. But let me see if I can get you the link. What do I do? My profile? Home? Profile? Scripts. So if you go to my profile and you go to scripts, how do I share this? Okay, I can show this screen. This is not this is not like sensitive info, I don't think. Copy link? I don't know. How do I copy publication link? Okay, there we go. All right, so we hit our zone. That's good. Okay, there you go. There you go, bro. So if you go there, that's my indicator. And it should be public. If it's not, let me know and I'll try to make it public or whatever. Okay. Okay, we hit my zone. We hit my short zone. That's good. Doing actually great. You have changed my life, Geo. You helped me when I needed it on most levels. Oh, man, I'm so glad to hear that, bro. I hope everything else is going well with you, man. Very glad to hear, bro. That's amazing to hear. That's why I do it, man, in the end. That's why. So I'm good to hear. What that means is when it's negative gamma, don't counter trend trade. If it's positive, it just bounces around something you're good at. This environment sucks for me. Interesting. Interesting. Well, we'll see what happens. We hit my level, which is good. I don't know if there's a trade there, but we hit my level, which is good. this demand held right here. We just took the high. There's nothing left. There's nothing yet for me to do, but we're getting pretty close. We're getting close, I think. Maybe. We'll see. I'm waiting. I'm not taking anything yet, but I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to prepare my short. I only need like 800 profit on the day. 900. Only down here. That's the only thing I need. Oh, it worked? Awesome. This is the only thing. I only need this little bit. Risk 200 to make 800. 4 risk to reward. All I need. All I need. Let's see. Nothing yet for me. But we hit my level, so that's good. I should probably let the Nexus know. Oh, that probably is a short. Fuck. Okay, we missed that. Shit. Let me let the Nexus know that we hit my level. Oh, that could have been the trade right there, bruh. We just missed it. Okay. Okay, we'll find it. Don't worry. We'll get in. We will get in. I'm gonna start scaling in, I think. Now I have to go in 1 because my position size is so wide now. What a shit entry, jeez. All right, let's see what happens. If we get stopped, we'll look to re-enter again. It's fine. I'll take 2 whacks at it. I'm gonna give this overall idea 2 tries, but I'm only in 1 contract. I'll add more in if I can. If they let me. Hopefully we tag into here and we reject again. We'll see. What was I gonna do? Where's the fucking channel, man? Oh, there we go. NQ in short. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry. Classic, I didn't even take my own trade because I'm helping people. Listen, I came into this stream, this specific stream, I came in here like, okay, I'm gonna like actually pay attention. You know, I'm really gonna pay attention because all I do, bro, is I get so lost. Like I'm talking about other shit. I'm talking about TA. I'm talking about this. I'm talking about that. That's all that ever happens whenever I'm on stream. That's all that ever happens. This already, I promise you on my life, I would have taken this trade right here. I would have shorted. I'll tell you exactly where I would have shorted it. I would have shorted right here. I swear on my life, I would have shorted right there. And I would have had my stop right there. And I would have already been at break-even. I would have like 5 risk reward right there. I would have already had. Okay, I'm about to get smoked. That's fine. That's fine. It's totally fine. Selling a support line. Well, here's the idea. Here's the idea, okay? I'm aware of this guy here. I'm aware of this. My target was here. So we just got stopped. We're about to get stopped. That's fine. So my target is here, okay? My target is here. This guy, right? Here, this was the logic. I was on the 30-second, 15-second, I think. And here's the logic. The up, the down, the up, the down, the up, the down, and the break. I wanted the lower high, the lower low. So the reason I didn't go in a full position size is because if I go in a full position size and I just get stopped here, then obviously I just get smoked, right? But if I don't go in a full position size, I can enter here, right? Or I can start here with the stop there. If we break structure up here again, then I can add, but I just got stopped. Or we break structure here, then I can add again. So the idea was to enter in you know, scaling in with the overall idea, because this internal structure broke bearish. So I wanted lower high, lower low, but that's okay. We didn't get it. It is what it is. On to the next. And I will give it one more try. So if I take another one and I lose another one, then I will be done with this idea. But this time I will wait for structure, like a better structure than 15-second structure, you know? I mean, even it wasn't really valid 1 minute structure. I thought we could have had a push, but that's completely fine. Completely okay. Now we wait. No big deal. No big deal at all. What's up, K Piz? K Pizla. Okay, the BTC long is going well from yesterday. That's good. Really good, really good, really good. All right, I want to see Stella come up to our zone now, and I'm going to wait for structure before I do anything here because of what just happened. And remember, I did say this, okay? This is problematic. This guy, super problematic, right? For the idea of shorting. But that's okay. That's the game. We got stopped. It's fine. It's not a big deal. I'm still going to be... I'm still interested in this general zone. So if I see something, I will take it. No problem at all. No problemo in the slightest. We probably have some time though. We'll see. And if we break this idea, then the idea is gone. And then I'll just move over to crypto. Come back home to crypto. And BTC front ran my level as well. So let's see what happens here. Man, we've been on point with BTC. Though, to be honest with you, we've been nailing this shit. We've been nailing it. All right, now I need to see this logo again, because this low here manipulated traders, myself included, under the low. So I need to see that break. I need to see something. Yeah, it was kind of a nasty move. By the way, every loss I take, not every single one, but the majority of the losses that I take are because I do this. I like look at market cipher and I'm like, okay, yeah, money flows coming out, divergences are here, whatever, and then this shit happens every fucking time. I swear, every time. When I trade with no indicators, I'm so much better. So much better with no indicators. It's crazy. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to get rid of this. This, we're gonna get rid of this. We have our idea. I don't need this anymore. And my TP would be this right here. Any short I take, that's my TP. Hopefully we can hit it. Let's see what we see. In market cipher 1 hour, the money flow is slipping from red to green, and we are bouncing from a 1 hour fair value gap. I was bullish, but in 10-15 minute there were some bear divs, so market today was not really clear. Yeah, I mean, like, I'll tell you this. Usually I have a very clear idea of like of crypto and BTC and whatever. Right now, man, like I'm gonna, you know, in the simplest form, on the crypto side, I don't care about anything except for 8.651 or 8.553 on USDT dominance. So to me, all of this is so irrelevant. I don't care about any of it. It's way too choppy, and it provides a lack of clarity for me. And as a result, you know, perhaps NQ and futures will be the same. I don't know. Like I said, this was a this move counters my idea. What I wanted was to pump up into my zone, prior to New York Open, and then get that move down. This manipulation here, not manipulation, I don't like the word manipulation. They trapped shorts here, myself, or not myself included on this one, kind of like makes it harder to short now. And I knew that. That's why I went in a partial here. It's not like a big deal, you know. But to piggyback off of what you were saying, I personally don't trade fair value gaps. Okay, I don't. But see, here's the thing. Here's what it hit off of for me. Right, for me, it hits this demand. It hit that demand. But that demand is only as good as, you know, this supply now. So we're in my supply zone. So obviously while I'm in supply, I'm looking for shorts. But I need to see a close below here to even consider it. So the best case scenario for me would be this. Come down. Actually, it would be hit this. Break it. So bounce off of it, break it. Then hit this guy. And then do this. And then I enter here. That's the best case now. For me, for my short idea. For longing, it's hard. Whoa. What just happened? Do you guys see my lights flickering right now? Do you guys see flickering like that? I guess my light just killed itself, so I no longer have a light. Anyway, that's what I want to see for like if I'm gonna short. Okay. Otherwise, yeah, I can't really. Otherwise, the idea might be gone. The idea might be gone. So we'll see. That's what I would need to see now. I need to see something. Otherwise, yeah, probably not interested. And I'm not using the indicators and shit to try to enter again. Fuck that. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. I need this thing to give me more structure up here for me to get involved. Let's come over to ES. The ES is look at how ES has like, well, I guess this has flow as well. But like up here there's nothing. Up here there's nothing. What's Bitcoin doing? ETH doing? Let's see what ETH does here. This move doesn't surprise me on Bitcoin because we never came up to my zone. We didn't hit it, so let's see. I did trade Monday and was red. Don't know why, but Mondays are your worst. If Mondays are your worst, try sizing down or try or don't trade Monday. I suck on Fridays. I'm so shit on trading Fridays. Fridays and Saturdays obliterate me. Friday and Saturday obliterates me. Let's see. I think if we get this, I'll try one more down to here. And that's it. If I lose that, then I'm off. If I win it, then I'm off. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. And I'm only targeting this 3-minute OB right here. This line. It would be a scalp. And in a perfect world, I can get in like this. Let's say it goes up and then down. In a perfect world, it would be like this, covering whichever the high is. Something like that. That'll be in a perfect world. I don't know if we get it, but we're going to have to wait and see. So I'm not taking it right now. Not off my screen because I haven't taken anything, obviously. You guys can see when I take it. All right, while we're waiting, let's use this moment to say that all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 want to be singing non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, so don't listen to anything I do. I don't know what I'm doing clearly, so don't follow along, all right? Bitcoin long is going well. I want to I do yeah. Let's see. So I want to see this. I want to see mitigation of this 3 minute, 1 minute OB pop up and then do that. If I get that, I will take it. And I'll take it like this. This is the best case scenario now for me. If I see that, we're good. Best case scenario. 4 risk to reward, call it a day. Do we get it? I have no idea. But we're in a short zone, so I'm looking for shorts, obviously. Hey. Come over to Biddy for a second. Let's check our OI here. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Okay, all right. Patience here. Patience here. Patience here. Patience here. Let's see what we see on BDT Sizzler too. We got a little bit of local bearish OI here going on. Just saying. Just saying. Just super saying. Got a little bit of bearish open interest going on right here on Bitcoin T Sizzler. BDT Sizzler. Very choppy price action, bro. All right, let's check here. So we're getting our little dump here. So exactly what I drew right now. is currently happening. If this happens, I'm going to go in again. I will go again. I'll give it another shot, but we'll see. Little scalp. Scalp City. Little Scalp City. This OI, this doesn't look good for Bitcoin now. That doesn't look good. What did thing do? Yeah, ETH is way weaker than Bitcoin right now. Way weaker. Let's see. Patience, patience, patience. You guys know Damn That Inception song? Bro, we were listening to that this morning. Hell yeah, I do. Let's run that. I get copyright on it, though. But yes, brother. Rufus time. It's so good. It's so good, bro. It's so good. Yeah, I do. Yo, do I invest like build a portfolio? Well, I'm 90% cash right now. I'm 90% cash. But yeah, I do. My goal is real estate. I don't want to, like, my goal is not crypto. My goal is real estate. Accumulate real estate. That's my goal. That's my idea. That's my goal. That's my idea. Why am I shorting into strength? I didn't short it. I did not short it. I did not short it. Not yet, anyway. What do I look in the high time frame vectors? I look for... Okay, so here. So when I'm entering, right? You're entering on... Oh, man, we should have fucking shorted that. We so should have shorted that. I don't know how every time I'm on stream we fumble. Every time. Anyway, we hit the short zone. We have the idea. We said we wanted to push up. The only thing is this stupid move. Well, this is my target for the short, so your target's about to get hit. Fuck me. Right here. I should have been paying attention. Right here is the short. Right here. This would have... I swear on my life. On my life. This would have been my short. Right here. Boom. Boom. And down. To here. That would have been my short. Now, I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and say that I took... Obviously, I didn't. But I swear on my life that this would have been my short. I promise you. That would have been my trade. 11 risk to reward. Look at that, bro. Come on. Oh. This happens every day, by the way. Every day I miss it. Every day. And now what I would have done is I would have taken this line. I would take this line. And if this line gets broken, I would cut my risk. Shouts out to Alex with Crypto. That's what I would do. No, bro, you're all good. It's not your fault. You're good, man. You're good. You're good. I need to be, I just need to be better at, like, paying attention, you know? It's me. It's not you. Don't worry about it. I have 2 monitors and then I have my MacBook, but right now my MacBook is closed, so I have 2 monitors only right now. That would have been my trade though. Oh well, on to the next. Man, so look at this, right? Scalping is so much fun. No, bro, it's all good. It's all good. Don't even worry. Don't even worry. Don't even worry. But scalping is so much fun. Like, look at how, dude, I can do this all day. I can do this all day long. So I do think shorts are the play. So to Daniel, I don't know if you're still here, bro, but you know, you there you go. That would have been TP. Fuck. To answer your question, Daniel, that's why I short into strength, because it's not strong. And this one feels bad. This one feels bad, guys. This one feels really bad. No, I'm not gonna lie. This one hurts, man. Oh! Oh my God! Nah, bro, this one feels bad. And I'm the fucking idiot that fell for this dumb shit here. Stupid. All right. Tomorrow, or maybe we'll do a PM session. Maybe we'll do like an Asia Open futures and we'll hit it there. Fuck, man. That one felt bad, guys. That one felt bad. That one felt really bad. That one felt bad. I don't like that one. I don't like it at all. Not in the slightest do I like that. Not at all. Not cool, man. Not cool. Not cool. What did stupid Stella do? Oh, my days, bruv. Oh, my. Look at the SMT. Oh. Bruh. Nah, bro, this one hurts. This one hurts. I don't want to talk about it. No. Oh, 18 wrist reward. Brother like. Brother like. Let me try something here. Brother like. Yeah, bro, that one feels bad. This one feels super bad. I don't like this one. I don't like that they did this to me. Why would they do this to me? Brother like. Dude, that's so ass. They're so gay. That was so gay. NQ. Anyway, whatever. On to the next. No being a bitch. No one gives a fuck about your problems. Brother like. No. Do 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 do. All right, well, trade is done. Missed the trade. That's okay. On to the next. No worries. We're gonna hit it later in the. Maybe we'll do a PM session. Maybe we'll do an Asian session. I don't know. We'll see. But it's all good. Listen, my dear friends. That's good enough for me, man. That's good enough for me. It's all good. One love. Don't worry, we'll get that shit back. Yes, we will, my friend. Yes, we will. Yes, we will absolutely get that shit back. Damn, that was... To be honest... Look. Here's what I'm going to tell you. This is what I'm going to leave you with, okay? Here's what I'm going to leave you guys with, my fine friends. My sexy friends. This is what I'm going to leave you with, all right? Look. Execution is the biggest part in trading, actually. Not a big part. It is the biggest part in trading. And here we fumbled the execution. The last stream, we fumbled the execution. But the more you do it, the better you get at it. I don't always fumble. I always fumble when I'm on stream. And I'm not just saying that. You guys know I run the Nexus and shit. So they see what I do all the time. But whenever I'm on stream, I always fumble it. I need to, in the most respectful way, I need to like suppress you guys, you know, and not mess up. I always get distracted. Anyways, my point is this is still a win. Why is this still a win even though we didn't get the trade? It's still a win because we identified what we wanted to see. I opened up the stream. This is not hindsight. I know this. I didn't take the trade, but I would have. But anyway, that's not the point. I said when we were here that I wanted to come up and hit my short zone. Before this happened, I said I want the market to open. I want New York to push it up. And then we short it from here to go down. Okay? Again, the execution fumbled. That's fine. The idea was there. It's still a win for me. We'll get it in the next stream. My dearest friends, if you like the content, hit the like button. Let's get the channel. Let's get the algos running again. Every 100 likes, I mean this. We never even get close to it anymore. Every 100 likes, we give away Nexus internships, all right? This one hurt, but it's all good because we're going to bounce back harder than ever. My dearest friends, one love. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and I'll see you guys later today, if not tomorrow. Have a good day. Trade safe. Be good. And if you ignored everything else I said today, then please take this and just be a good person, man. Just be a good person. Spread good to the world. One love.
Set my heart